Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So it's got the top of the range 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. This also comes with Peugeot's grip control. Now this gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. Outside of the car though, there's 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got the 7-inch touchscreen. Now this gives you DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and full Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.